Hello friends, welcome to my channel Amrita's Code World. As you know that I have divided the flow of control topic in three parts. In the first part, decision making statements were explained with the help of various if-else examples. And in the second part, you have learnt about the iteration statements and the implementation of it using while loop and for loop. In this video, I am going to explain you about the jump statements and use of it in the iterations or loops. Before I begin, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel Amrita's Code World, please do subscribe and click on the bell icon. Yes, don't forget to like my channel. Yes, friends, I told you that today I am going to explain you about the jump statements of Python and how we can use jump statements in iteration statements or loops. First of all, we need to know what are jump statements. Jump statements are used to transfer the program's control from one location to another location. What does it mean? It means that these are used to alter the flow of a loop. Like we can skip a part of the loop or we can terminate a loop. As we know that loop continues for certain number of times. But on some given condition, if we want to end a loop or we want to skip a part of the loop, then mostly we use this jump statements. Now let us see the different types of jump statements which are provided in Python. There are three types of jump statements. We have here break, continue, and pass. All these three are keywords in Python, and all these three keywords we'll have to use it in lowercase in the Python program. First of all, I'm starting with break. As you can see that break, it is typed in lowercase. It is used to terminate the loop. How? We'll have to see the example. See one example. For ch in hello. So for we are using for loop, ch in hello. Hello is a string. So in is a membership operator. Now the ch means a variable which is going through each and every character of the string. So how many characters are there in this string? 5 characters are there. So how many times the loop will run? 5 times the loop will run. Now we are giving the condition inside the loop that if ch equal L, what is equal? Relational operator. If this is equal to L, then we want to terminate the loop. So we have used break inside the if statement. Now we are going to print ch means that the character which will be printed. Now see the output which will be generated. First, when ch will point to h, then the condition is not satisfied. So inside the loop we have mentioned this print ch, so it will print h over here. Next, in the next iteration it will point to the character e. Then also the condition is not true. That is, if ch equal L, it is not true. So it will not go inside the body of if and it will print the character E. Next, the third character, when ch will point to L, it satisfied the condition because ch equal L. So the condition becomes true. And then we have used the keyword break. So what will happen? The entire loop will be terminated. If break was not used, then the loop would have continued for 5 times. But here it will be continued only for 2 times. Why? Because once it satisfies the condition and the character matches with L, since it is encountering the keyword break, so the loop will be terminated. Once the loop will be terminated, it will come to the last statement, which is outside the for loop is mentioned, that is print the end. So that's why you can see in the output, after H and E, it will print the end. Now, let us focus on the next jump statement, that is continue. What is continue? Again, it is used to skip all the remaining statements in the loop and move controls back to the top of the loop. Now, what does it mean? As we can see in the example of continue, I have used the same example as break so that you can understand the difference between break and continue. Now see here, for ch in hello, if ch equal L, continue. Now let us see the output. In previous case, we have seen the output was H and E, but in this case, output is HEO. How? First, when the CH will point to H, then the condition is not satisfied, so it will print CH, so it will print H. In the second iteration, it will point to E. Again, the condition is not true, so it will print the character E. Now, next, it is satisfied the condition because the third letter is L and the condition will be satisfied if CH equal L. So in that case, what will happen? Continue. What continue will do? It will skip the rest of the part of the loop, that is the remaining part of the loop will be skipped. So print CH. So in this case, the L will not be printed. So continue will move on to the next iteration. In next iteration, again it is encountering the character L. So in this case, again it will skip the remaining part of the loop. So it will not be printed. That L character will not be printed. So now it will go to the next iteration O, and in this case the condition is not satisfied, so it will print O. So what continue does? On the given condition, when the condition is satisfied, the remaining part of the loop will be skipped and it will move on to the next iteration and it will continue with the rest of the loop. Now at the end of the loop, we have printed print the end, which is outside the for loop. So that will be again printed. So that is why the output is HEO and the end. Now the last iteration statements, that is pass. What is it? This statement does nothing. It can be used when a statement is required syntactically, but the program requires no action. Pass means it will pass it to the next instruction. So it will not do anything. So how we can use it? We can see the example again. For CH in initial, how many characters are there in initial? 7 characters. So it is supposed to be continued for 7 times. Now see the output. If CH equal I, so CH, the first character is itself is I. So pass. Pass means that it will not do anything. Next, it will go to the next iteration in. So if CH equal I, the condition is not true. So it will print what? It will go to the else part and it will print what? It will print in, because the condition is not true. Then again the character, third time, the character is encountering with the letter I. So if CH equal I, again the condition is true. So it will not do anything. Then the next iteration, that is T. CH is T. So again the condition is not true. So it will go to the else part and it will print T. Next, again I is given. So again the condition is true. Pass. Pass means it will not do anything. Next, it will go to the next character A. So it will print A, and at the end it will print L. So we can see that on given condition, the pass is not doing anything. So friends, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel Amrita's Code World, please do subscribe to my channel Amrita's Code World. Click on the bell icon and yes, don't forget to like my channel. Thank you. Thank you for watching.